Hi, today we will learn about how to look for the request that we sent out for a site. As we saw yesterday, like we can create some thread groups, we can add some simple controllers. Under that we added one HTTP request, and in order to see the result we need to add one listener. So listener is just a uh, representation of the output, so it can be graphical, it can be textual, depending upon your needs. You need to select. So currently we will select one simple listener, let's say view results tree, and we can name it accordingly. Over here we can see some of the results. Okay, so let's try to run this request first. So we can run this by clicking on this start green icon, or we can go under this run menu. Under we have start, or we can press Ctrl R in order to run this request. So we will click on this. As we click, you may see on the right hand side it shows 0 by 1 and the color is gray. So it is like the number of users we are currently running with. So if you remember, we created one thread group. Under that this number of users, numbers of threads is 1, and the loop count is 1, and loop count is just the iteration. So we can make it twice, thrice, depending upon our need. So if as soon as I click on this start, you will see it turns into green. Okay, so that the request is been sent. Let's just have a eye over here. See, it turns to 1 by 1 and it turns to green. So request was sent successfully. And when we go see over here, as we ran it twice, so it's showing us two results. Okay, so this is the latest one. You can see under this listener we have one sampler result, and we have another tab as request. It shows the what was request, or like what was sent for the request, and this is the response data. Okay, so this is the simplest thing we can see over here. And suppose if we do not have any internet connection, or by some means the request was not successful, so it will turn to red. This green icon you can see, so it shows like currently it is successful. If it is unsuccessful by any means, then it will show in red color. So this is the simpler sampler data which we can use, but in the real world scenario it won't be like that currently, because currently we took an example for one user, but in a real world it won't be like that. So